How to optimize your PC for peak performance. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic that sure to boost your computer performance. Whether you are a gamer, a content creator or a simply someone who wants their PC to run smoothly. We will be sharing some invaluable tips on how to optimize your PC for peak performance. So before we are discussing in details, let's highlight the tips in the first part. So first one is cleaning up your system. Number two is update your drivers. Number three is optimize your storage. Number four is monitoring resource uses. Number five is manage graphics settings. Number six is keep your system cool. Number seven is disable visual effects. Number 8, upgrade hardwares. So now as we highlight or point out these steps, now we will discuss what actually mean of them. So clean up your system. The first thing first, let's clean up your system. Over time your PC can get cluttered with unnecessary files and code, which can slow it down. Use a reputable PC calendar to remove temporary file caches and unwanted software. You can also manage startup program to only run the essentials, which will help your computer boot up faster. So unnecessary files, so you can use Sport Assistant for Dell laptop. This will help you to remove or deduct automatically unwanted caches file or temporary file. Or you can check unwanted or unnecessary software which are you already installed. You have to uninstall them if you are not using them regularly. Next point is update your drivers. Once you clean up your system, you need to update your drivers. Outdated driver can lead to compatibility issues and decreased performance. Regularly update your graphics, sounds and chipset driver to ensure your hardware is running smoothly. You can check the manufacturer website or use driver update software for convenience. So, why update your driver is important? Because outdated drivers sometimes not compatible to your device. So what have done? So it will, as it not compatible, so it will decrease your performance, your system or your device performance. So try to make sure your driver is up to date, or you can check it to manufacturer to check whether driver now in the market. Optimize your storage. So how you can optimize your storage? An optimized storage setup is essential for peak performance. If your storage is optimized, so it's the factor that automatically increase the performance. Consider upgrading to a solid state drive SSD for faster read and write speed. It's the latest it's built on latest technology. So if you are using SSD, solid state drive, it will faster the read and write speed of your system. Also organize your file into folder and defragment your hard drive occasionally to improve access time. So you need to organize your file into the folder occasionally. Monitor resource usage. So next point is you have to monitor the resources that are utilized by your system. Keep an eye on your PC resources usage is crucial. Task Manager or third-party monitoring tool can help you identify resource-hungry application. Close unnecessary background process to free up RAM and CPU power for the task you are actively using. Monitor resourcing usage. So you have to check out which application your PC is using. So moving forward is manage graphic setting. For gamer and designer, optimizing graphic setting can be make a world of difference. Adjust in-game graphic setting to find the right balance between visual quality and performance. Also, consider updating your GPU driver for the latest optimization. So you can check out NVIDIA control panel and you can make setting in there according to your requirements. There you have two options: global setting or program setting. So when you set up global setting, it's mean you implement same setting to all the games and program you are using in your laptop or PC. Instead of that, if you are use program setting, it's mean you can set up separate setting for all the program and games according to their needs. Moving forward, keep your system cool. Overheating can cause performance throttling and hardware damage. Make sure your PC is well ventilated and consider adding additional cooling solution like fan and liquid cooler. Cleaning out dust from your component regularly can also help maintain optimal temperature. Disable visual effects. Windows and other operating systems often come with fancy visual effects that can strain your system resources. Turning off unnecessary animation and visual effect can lead to a snapper user experience and improved performance. Moving forward to upgrade hardware. If your PC is struggling to keep up with modern tasks, it might be time for a hardware upgrade. So if you want to increase the performance, you have to upgrade your hardware as well. In the previous step, we will discuss to update your drivers. So with drivers, you have to upgrade your hardware as well. So you can increase your adding more RAM, upgrade your CPU, and getting more powerful graphics card can give your system a significant performance boost. And there you have it. Our top tip for optimize your PC performance. By following this step, you will ensure that your computer run at its best, whether you are a gamer, working, or simply browsing the web. Thanks for watching, and be sure like and subscribe for more tech tip and tutorial. Until next time, happy computing.